Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me verse by verse. We are now finally starting with chapter 2, which is where Krishna actually starts speaking. In the previous chapter, we saw that Arjun had a massive breakdown, and chapter 1 begins with Sanjay telling Dhritarashtra about how Arjun has dropped his bow and finally given up. And so, in this chapter, in the verse 1 to 5, we are still talking about the feelings that Arjun is having, how he is still very resistant to fighting his own family, his teachers, his grandfather, and all the relatives that are there. In these verses, one of the major things that Krishna tells Arjun is that his moral delusion of not wanting to kill his family because of moral reasons is not going to benefit any noble person and is also not going to help anyone over here. And he also tells Arjun that all of this moral dilemma is not going to get him any fame or even get him into heaven for that matter. And so he needs to get past his petty faint-heartedness and arise from it. So psychologically in these verses we can see that Arjun is not stuck in some philosophical dilemma. It actually is a trauma response where he is catastrophizing all the outcomes that could be, and there Krishna steps in not with his comforting words but actually with a lot of clarity that challenges the beliefs and the fear that Arjun is having. And one more major thing that we get to learn from these verses is that fear is almost always a habit. And courage comes from being decisive and making mindful decisions and not succumbing to your fears. And if you look at it, it's actually quite relevant to us even in today's times that we most of the time avoid making tough choices. But what we don't realize is that it actually prolongs the mental conflict that we are having. Even in our lives today, so many times we face these moments where we're questioning that should I walk away or should I stay and fight? And most of the time in our lives during these hard choices, we often freeze. But that's not because of wisdom, that's actually because of overwhelm. So all of us need to stop and ask ourselves that what is this emotion that I have behind the logic I'm putting on the front? So next time when you're faced with a tough decision and you feel very noble for walking away, ask yourself that am I really surrendering to the wisdom or am I just avoiding to face the harsh truth? And so, if you want to understand your inner world better, there is nothing better than Bhagavad Gita. So, follow me for more such videos where we will become the best version of ourselves.